Microsoft Paint.
Yeah, pretty much. This is at Mason Hall, Hofstra University.
Right to the side of the building.
Yep.
Seems like more of a 2000s kind of thing we got going on here.
I think so.
The old baseboard heater right here. Not baseboard.
Radiator.
Yeah. Oh, we got a side door.
We do have a side door.
Elevator refurbishing, that's par for the course.
Yep. Okay, Cappy first.
Oh, we might be seeing that side door. Hey, you think it's roped maybe?
It could be.
Interesting. Hit it.
Go 3.
Yeah. I think we got a little bit of a split level situation going on here.
We do.
Yes, we do. It goes up further? Hold the door for a second. That's what we got going on here.
Interesting.
Take it back to the, well, I don't know where you want to go with it.
I will take this for another lap. I didn't
I
take
knew it had to stop at more than just the basement to get a corner post job.
Yeah.
Because that's expensive. That costs money. Yeah, that's another split level right there.
Then I'll take it for one more up trip.
I'll reach on the left.
Okay. The way this rides, I think it might be roped. Now let's say this is a 2000s install. Say 15 to 20 years old. Back to L. Oh, I didn't. Okay, that's it.